Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to create a formula field in Salesforce opportunity object, and I'll be creating that formula field for providing the emojis of stars based on the opportunity rating, and I'll be calculating that like 1 star, 3 star, those kind of stuff using with respect to the field like probability. So higher the probability, then we will get higher the stars. So I'll be just creating that formula field. In that case, I'll be just click on this gear icon and I'll be just click on this edit object action button. So then we can just get redirected into the opportunity object, and on clicking on this fields and relationship we can just create a new field. So I'll be just clicking on this new button and I'll be selecting the formula, and in the formula I'll be just providing the formula label as opportunity ratings, and in here formula return type I'll be just selecting text as the formula return type, and I'll be just click on this next, and in here we can just provide our respective formula. So we'll be just uh, calculating our opportunity ratings based on the field opportunity probability. So let me just show you the field. That probability field is a opportunity standard field, so we'll be using this probability percentage, and this is a standard field like probability, and the data type is percent. So we'll be using the field to calculate our star ratings. So I'll be just using this formula, and I'll be utilizing these emojis of stars so that we can just find if the probability is like greater than equals to 80, then we will get 5 star for the opportunity ratings. If the probability is greater than equals to 60, we will get 4 stars. So this is how this opportunity ratings will be calculated. And if I just click on this check syntax, if to check if the formula looks good or not, so we can see that there are no syntax errors. So I can just proceed to create this field. So I'll be just click on this next, and we are good with this profile selections, and this should be added into the opportunity lightning record page, and as well as the opportunity layouts as well. So our field got created, and I can just search the field like opportunity ratings. So this is a formula field which return type of text. And now let me refresh this opportunity record page, and the field. So let me just add the field, or I just need to hard refresh the page. So in the details tab, we can see that this opportunity ratings field is got added. So, and if we just want to add the fields, we can just select this tab fields, and in here we can just search any fields of the opportunity records. Like if I just search for the ratings, it will show under this ratings section. So this is how we can just add field. Since we just while the creation of the field we added them directly into the record page, that is why it's automatically added. I can just drag and drop into this another place in this layout, and let me just save this lightning flexi page, and changes saved. Let me go back to the opportunity record, and we can see that this opportunity ratings is like 1 star, but the probability is 90%. What is the issue then? uh, okay, this should be percent. So in our formula, so we just need to provide the percent symbol, unless it will not recognize that one. So let me just provide those percentages. and let me just check the syntax. Okay, there are some syntax errors. Let me just use this formula assistant. We can use like this formula. I can just update our formula as well. So whenever this opportunity is 0.8, so we can use like that as well. And based on that, we can just update our star ratings. So let me just check the syntax again, and we can just save the field updated field information. And let me just recheck this one into this opportunity record. Let me hard refresh this page. And now we can see that our ratings is properly showing. And if I just update this probability to like if I just change the status, based on that probability will be affected. If I just change the status stage opportunity, in case of opportunity we call this opportunity stages, and for the lead record we call this status. So if I just update this stage, we can see that probability got updated to 50% and our ratings is also updated. And if I just make it to prospecting, and we can just see that probability 10% and this got 1 star rating. And let me just make it to negotiation, and we can see that ratings are getting also updated properly. So this is how we can just simply use this formula, and I'll be adding this formula into the descriptions of this video. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel if you like this video. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio topics. So please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.